This couple lives in United Kingdom and they had little misunderstanding. His wife took his 4 sons and went away to unknown destination. This man started calling the phone. For good 3 months now, the woman refused to answer call, and this man became very anxious and started calling other friends, even the man of God, the pastor of their church, to please help him, at least let the woman give him access to his children. At last, the woman came back. Do you know what this woman did? This woman dropped the 4 sons to the man, Boza, and went away. Now it's 3 months. They don't know where about the woman, and this man is suffering now. So please, we want to other people to say their own opinion. We don't know the meaning of this. We want to read meaning and analyze the behavior of this woman. Is the woman right or wrong? We want those who can analyze things, those who can read mind, to come on board and tell us what this woman means. Is this woman right or wrong, dropping 4 sons, younger sons, to a man and went away without knowing her destination?